Hey there, fellow foodies and microwave enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the hottest kitchen gadgets and appliances. Today, we've got something really exciting to review: the Galanz GLCMKZ11RDR10 Retro Countertop Microwave Oven. This little beauty comes packed with some fantastic features that are sure to make your kitchen experience a whole lot easier, and, of course, more stylish. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Galanz Retro Microwave boasts a charming vintage-inspired look with a sleek red finish. It's a true eye-catcher and will instantly add a pop of color to any kitchen. Whether you're going for that retro vibe or simply want to stand out, one of the highlights of this microwave is its user-friendly interface. With the Auto Cook and Reheat functions, you can forget about complicated guesswork and say hello to perfectly cooked meals. Just pop in your favorite dish, select the appropriate setting, and voila! You'll have a delicious, hot meal in no time. Alright, let's talk about something every busy person needs: the defrost feature. Gone are the days of impatiently waiting for frozen food to thaw. Galanz has got you covered with their defrost function. It's quick, efficient, and saves you from any dinner-time dilemmas. Cleaning up after a meal is never a fun chore, but Galanz has made it a breeze with their easy-to-clean interior and glass turntable. No more struggling to remove stubborn stains. Just wipe it down, and you're good to go. Plus, the glass turntable adds a touch of sophistication while ensuring even heating of your food. Now, check out this charming pull handle. It's a delightful throwback to the good old days, adding to that vintage charm we all love. Not only is it practical, but it also gives the microwave a unique personality. In conclusion, the Galanz Retro Countertop Microwave Oven is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Its stylish design, easy-to-use functions, and generous capacity make it a must-have appliance for anyone looking to level up their cooking game. So, if you're ready to add some flair and functionality to your kitchen, I highly recommend giving this retro beauty a try. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below, so you never miss out on our latest kitchen adventures. As always, thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy cooking!